Dollar cost averaging is a great way for someone to start investing without too much risk. In this video, I'll explain what it is and how you can start doing it right away. Hi there, it's Matt from Greatness Everyday, and I wanted to say thanks for watching this video. The information that I'm going to share with you today is something that I've personally done a lot of research on when I was trying to figure out the best way for me to start investing my money, and I feel it will help answer the same question I had when I started, which was, how can I invest with minimal risk? Before I started any type of investing, my mindset was always, investing is too high risk and I could lose everything, so I'll just keep my money in my bank account where it's safe. And that's okay for safety and comfort, but I wanted my money to go further. This mindset was holding me back, and it wasn't until I started challenging myself to really look at how I use my money that my mindset changed. Simply put, dollar cost averaging sees the investor buying a fixed amount of an investment at regular intervals. For me, I take 10% of my paycheck and I put that into my investment account, and then I buy the amount of shares that I can purchase with that 10% every 2 weeks. I don't spend any time day trading or staring at a computer screen, watching green and red lights flash, and I have a complete control of the types of investments I purchase. If the price of a stock goes up, I buy fewer shares, and if it goes down, I buy more, but the dollar amount is consistent. So now that you know what dollar cost averaging is, how do you start investing? This is what I've done. The first thing that I did was be financially transparent. Ask yourself if you have the money to invest. I looked at my situation and said that I'd rather invest a small amount of money instead of going to a movie or eating out a lot, so I was comfortable taking this risk. The second thing I did was I made a game plan. So do some research and find out how much money you should invest and where you should invest that money. Do you want to purchase individual stocks or something like an index fund? Maybe you want to go for something higher risk like cryptocurrency. There's a lot of great information related to investments on the internet and on YouTube, but don't believe everything that people say because some people are paid to promote a certain product or a service, so do your homework. Finally, I encourage you to actually physically write your plan down. This will make it easier for you to stick to it and have a strategy so you aren't just throwing money at random stocks. The third thing I did was I opened an investment account with my banking institution. There are other ways to do this. You can purchase investments online and on apps, but I think the bank is the safest. The fourth thing I did was I stuck to my game plan. You have to give it time for things to play out. If I invest $100 today, I don't expect it to 10x by tomorrow. That's not how the traditional stock market works. You can always change your plan if you think it's necessary, but don't change it too often. The last thing I did was I learned from experience. When I first started my research, I was asking anyone who knew anything about investment tons of questions, and I probably annoyed them, but I wanted to learn. I spent a lot of time doing my own research online, and I made an appointment with my bank to speak with a financial advisor who was able to walk me through the investment program that I'd use and answer any questions that I had. So I hope this video helped you understand how I started investing. If you want to know more about dollar cost averaging or any other subject, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram for daily inspiration and encouragement to live a great life. You can also visit our website at www.greatnesseveryday.online. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.